Hello, this is the GoPro 22, and today we are driving the Traxxas / VXL in rain, two-wheel drive. So, it's kind of raining pretty hard. It's actually raining hard, so it's pretty cool. It's doing pretty well so far, so we're just trying to prove if the Traxxas cars are waterproof. So far, it's doing really good. And we have new upgraded headlights. If you see if it turns, here, pull them up. Here, pull it up so you can see the new headlights. So we got the headlights right here, and on the bottom, they do kind of look like fake headlights, but they really are real. But if you kind of see blue underneath it sometimes, because at night we have the blue lights on the bottom, so it shines out and makes the whole car bottom blue. So that's really cool too. You just can't see those right now. Yeah, so when you pretty hard to pull it over here, you can't see it. You don't get that kind of rain. Yeah, so it's doing pretty well so far. And I think that is it.
Let's show it driving.
Yeah, let's just show it driving.
Don't keep talking. That was supposed to be an attempt to spin out a lot.
Yeah. I wonder why they made the Bandit not waterproof.
No, just the brushless system you got is not waterproof.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I bet you we'll see an update to waterproof brushless stuff in a while here.
You're interested person, you can't upgrade the waterproof. You have to buy a whole new brushless system.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I said I'll buy a waterproof brushless system.
That's $180.
Yeah, I know. I said soon upgrade to that.
Well, let's take it in for a second and see how much it got wet.
Yeah.
And this is a Pro-Line body, so we'll bring it in.
Back to our RC setup and workshop. Just to see how much it got wet.
My hands are numb, so it might take me a couple minutes to take this pin off. Pins up. Well, let's see.
And now you can kind of see the blue. Oh, God. So take off the cover because we can't see it yet. Hey.
Wait, I can't take off the cover, Carson. Well, there it is. Carson, what are you doing?
Oops. Well, pretty wet.
Everything is about wet.
Yep, so
Actually, everything is wet. So
that proves that thing is waterproof. So I guess that is your answer to this.
I didn't think this thing was waterproof. And the lights aren't waterproof, but they're connected in here, and this is sealed. Hello, Carson, cameraman.
Oh.
You know, you keep coming down. But, so, everything is wet, so that was our test for us going in the rain. And see you next time.